Beat Babes. Welcome back to my third episode of Beauty and the Beat. Here I have my beautiful client Fallon, and I'm going in just to clean off her skin, and I'm going to make sure I remove any dirt or oils from her skin so we can start with a clean canvas. I've applied some hydrating face serum to her face just to hydrate her skin and give her skin a nice glow. I'm applying some milk of magnesia to her eyebrows. This will ensure that her eyebrows will not get oily or move all over her makeup throughout the day. Using my Absolute brow pencil, I'm going to use that to carve out her brows. Now I'm going to clean up her brows with some concealer and a flat brush. I'm creating a base for the eyeshadow by using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. Okay guys, her brows might look a little crazy and you're probably like, wait a minute, I know her brows are not going to be like that, but no. I just quickly carved it out just so that I have a guide on where I need to place her eyeshadow. You'll see later on in the video, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to fix that up. Now using a brown color from one of the Juvia's Place palettes. I don't remember what palette I use. I'm so sorry guys. But I'm just going to use that on her outer corners and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Now I'm applying the shimmery shade to her lids and I'm going to blend that out. Going back in with that blending brush that I used in her crease previously, and I'm just going to use that just to make sure the eyeshadows are nicely blended together. I'm going in with my Sephora Precision eyeliner in the color black, and I'm going to just outline her eyes. I'm not going to do a dramatic wing on this look because the lashes are popping, so I want to keep the look simple so that the lashes can pop. I don't want to overpower the look. I'm just cleaning up her brows, and I'm going in with the 3D mink lashes, and I'm going to apply that to her lash line. Here I'm taking some of the concealer and I'm going to just clean up her wing. Here I'm going in with some Milk of Magnesia and I'm going to apply that to her face as a primer because she is an oily client. Milk of Magnesia is really good for oily skin, but you don't want to use Milk of Magnesia every day because it may clog your pores. I'm applying the Black Opal foundation stick to her face and I'm just going to apply that all over. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend it out. After I blend her foundation out, I'm gonna go in with another foundation stick. I'm going to be using Beautiful Bronze and I'm gonna apply that to her cheeks, around her face, down the bridge of her nose. You know, I'm just contouring her face and just to bronze up her look and give her look some more dimension. Here, I'm just blending out her contour. Now I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, and I'm going to apply that to her highlighted areas. take your time and you want to make sure that everything is blended nicely. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush that we used earlier with no extra product, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of her concealer. I'm applying my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to all of her highlighted areas to set that concealer. I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette in light to medium to set her contour. Again, I'm using my foundation brush with no extra product, and I'm going to just use my brush to just dust away all of the powder that we placed to set her makeup, and I'm just going to use that just to press that powder into her skin. Here I'm using the lighter shade from the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use that to snatch her nose. Now I'm applying the CoverGirl eyeliner in black, and I'm going to apply that to her waterline. Now it's time for the glow up. I'm using that same Black Radiance contour palette. I'm using the highlighter shade, and I'm going to apply that to her highlighted areas just to give her face a nice shimmer and to have her makeup look flawless. Here I'm using that same brown color that I used in her crease. I'm going to use that color, and I'm going to apply it to her lower lash line. To set her makeup, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over her face. I'm using my Nique lip pencil in the color light brown to outline her lips. Now I'm going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Nude.
Nique, look at it. Oh,
You gorgeous, honey.
thank you.
Thanks, Beat Babes, for joining me on another episode of Beauty and the Beat with this soft glam look. And if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, go over and hit that bell for more notifications so you won't miss another upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.